are you? Come. Kuya. Come here. Where's your friends? How are you, Kuya? Come here. Come. Kuya, come here. I'm gonna feed you. Come. Yeah. Here's my friends. Good morning. Hello, Blackie. Hello, Blackie. Good morning. Come. Put you here. Hello, eat. Hello, eat. Kuy, eat na, kuy. Eat, Kuya, eat. Kuy, eat, yalla. Kuy, eat. Hi, dog. You want food? This for you. Come. Blackie. Hello. So I'm feeding them rice with some mixed with some chicken. These two cats is always coming to me. Every time they see me, they always come and run to me. I will get you dry food, okay? Soon. Yesterday I fed you dry.